Hello, my name is Anva and I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up the scrim section of Copilot. So first what we want to do is we want to go into installation and let's let's quickly make a new server. I'll be back when it's created. So we have the server here. Now let's go back over to Copilot. Link is in the description, by the way. And what we want to do is you want to click on this link and add it to this one. And then you want to click on this one and add it to this one. And after that, I do not have Unite set up, but you want to click on that and click Authorize. What it'll do is it'll get the stats off Unite and display them in the bot. So if we go over here, we can see we have both Copilots in the server now. And then to get access to creating a lobby, you want to type -create and then you want to enter it. You want to click on go to dashboard, and then we can see here that we have all of our servers here, well, most of them. So with test, you want to click on that, create lobby. Now after this, you want to choose a .lobby name, so do a cache cop, registration time, any time you really want, honestly. I'm just going to set it for 10:35. Access role, add everyone, helper role, just whatever, admin role, whatever. So you're gonna have your staff or lobby role here, and then your admin role. These are gonna have access to the admin panel. And yes, number before teams, you wanna normally set it at 50 unless you're playing solos. Then you'd set it at 100. Using Unite, authorize, yeah, and then you can use a template. I'll be going over how to create a template in the future. And you want to add priority levels. So for example, at everyone 0, 1. So what this will do is, I'll show you in a second. And then you want to create the lobby. The lobby should be created. Yep, here we go. Alright, so now we have registration. And you can see here 35, 30, 12, 36. And then what it'll do, oh, sorry, I meant to put that as, no, never mind. So that should be allowed to register at 12:35 your time, 12:36. And then once you register, you can click register your team, go to drop map, claim your drop. And you can see here that we have our drop map. So for example, I'm gonna land my drop over here. Just wanna put a pin right there, and then that'll mark you on all the drop maps. So if it's conned, then it's conned, and then you just do that for all 50 players. After you do that, you can put your Unite code in here. So once you go over to Unite and set up the code and the code distribution and set up the tournament, you can set it up in here. Lobby 1 chat, this is where everyone can talk. Now getting off, I'm going to have to use another account for this. Now that we're in the server, we can see registration. We're going to register our team. Then for example, let's say someone wants to get off. You just explain your reason in there and go back to my other account. And we can see here, if I want to remove player, and it'll just basically remove the role. So this interaction failed. Oops, so I'm going to give myself a role. Oh. Oh yeah, I have to create a different role. Or I can just, I can't. Alright. So it'll remove the player afterwards, and then we can see here we have admin tools. And what this will do is you can open registration early, you can close registration, confirm, yeah, so it'll close the registration. Now to close the lobby, it'll delete everything in here, and then it'll create a channel and etc. And then we have refresh registration, refresh drop map, so that'll refresh where we just were in here and show all pins. Help, just to know what to do. Mute fills, so what it'll do is after fill request, so we have fill requests here. Let's say someone got off and you're looking for one. The command is at UF, I think. Yes. You do not have permission, so it'll unmute the channel. And then if you want to mute the channel, it's at MF. And it'll mute the channel. But sadly, I haven't actually set it up properly. And then you can unmute it too. Hide fills, show fills, hide getting off. Unmarked players, so everyone that's registered and haven't marked themselves on the drop map, you can click on unmarked players and it'll show everyone and just let them know. Con splits, so it'll show you where it's conned, where everyone's conned and who's conning. Unite React, so what this will do is it'll post the code in the channel. I'm pretty sure. Yes. And then scrim reports, it'll just show what's happened and in the scrims. So that is basically everything for now. I will be making a part 2 to this for the templates and maybe a few other stuff. Anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy the video, and peace.